Hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. And in this video I'm going to unbox this package. Just now I received this one from Amazon. Let's get inside. Very perfect package. Okay, fine. uh, this is the first Amazon Fire TV stick lite version for streaming purpose. I'm going to see these kind of contents in my TV. Yeah, recently I got one TV. I have these are all the pre-installed one, and Amazon customer care people said this is running on what is that, Fire OS something else. They mentioned that one, but I don't know. Let's get inside. Yes, I'm the first guy for this one. Okay, let's see what else inside. With that great smile. Okay, here is the remote control. That is our mandatory one. One cable which is okay, micro USB. Okay. uh, okay, what is this? So this is the that fire stick. There is no cover, fine. And the HDMI, not USB 3.0. Then what else? Oh, nice, they are having some HDMI extension also. So uh, if you want to extend this, you can extend this. There is no power supply input here. Okay, sometimes some area it might be a mandatory thing. Okay, fine. And what else? Okay, here it. Oh, nice. They gave adapter. Let that is also Amazon branded. Fine. What else? We can see here the wattage and everything. Let's get a little bit closer. Output 5 volt, 1 ampere. Okay, maximum 5. Fine. And two AAA batteries from Amazon Basics. Nice. Everything is from Amazon. And I really like this package from Amazon. Let's keep this side. Okay, what else inside? Yeah, nothing. Okay, keep this like this and close. And I don't know the initial procedures or startup procedures, so I hope it will be in the mm, yeah, it will be in the such what real stories, whatever that short video session section. I don't know about that. Fine. Anyway, it's me for me guys, and you meet you guys in my next video. Peace.